about data every couple of weeks. And today, Tenzo will present visualization with Python. If you have any questions during the presentation, please leave them in the chat and he will get back to you. Um, I will kindly ask you to mute your mics and to turn off your camera because Tenzo will share his page, his screen. And I hope you enjoy today's session.
Okay, hello, good afternoon, everyone. I'm Thein Soe. Today I present about with the Pythons. So let me share my screen first. Then I have to use it for PowerPoint in the presentation. So hi, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening. I'm very happy to welcome in our communities in the Meetup program. First of all, I will let's introduce myself. Okay, I'm Thein Soe. I'm from Myanmar. I'm a businessman in my country. So currently, I'm working as the data professional as the two good only company. It is my country. This my this me, and this is my LinkedIn profile. If you are want to the connect me the profile, this is my profile in the LinkedIn. Then get back to this is my email address. If you have to some connect to me, this is my email address. Okay, next. Okay, I was in the enroll 2019 as July in SkillsUP Lab in Rotterdam with the data analytics programming as enrolled in the SkillsUP Lab. So I will explain to what is the SkillsUP Lab. So the SkillsUP is the training introduced for data analytics and data scientists. So if you want for information, I have to link here so you can find out our in the SkillsUP program. Yes, that is our scale-up lab community. So they also have we have to data science, data analytics. There we have to course. Okay. Then I will back to uh, today. I will be present above this data cleaning, analyzing, visualization with the data set in the, using the Python programming. This Python programming. So, but I using for the data set from the Kaggle. So, this data set Google Play Store applications, the dataset. So the dataset I can download from the CSV file. Yes, CSV file I can download from the CSV file. So that is my already. Yeah, that is my download file from the Google. So I see here in the dataset is the row total row is 10,842 rows, and the column is 30 column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30 column. So in this dataset, I was searching for analyze for ratings, its ratings, and based of the category. So and this dataset a very messy dataset because I see in the data type is a different data type. Actually, this 10,000 plus means this messy data. Also here I see type also messy free paid free and non-paid also not clear red and also has I see not clear red. So now I used to in a Python programming. So that is my Python programming, Python core program using my data set. So first I using Python, Jupyter Notebook. So let me explain to my data analysis of Google reading. Then I will put in the required models in the library. So then I will collect to the data set from the Kaggle. I already download from the CSV file. It is my download file from CSV. Hello, someone talk to me or not? Hello. Okay. So next, I want to do the summary statistics. Then I see it in the rating or the in data set only the column, the rating column in the statistics. I can do it. So not be sure this is and data set. Also, I will check in the information from data set. So maybe someone are missing or some are missing volumes. So I will check it in data set. So in this data set, I see all the 10,841, all the row, and then also the application object, and the category also 10,841, also correct. And the rating is a 9,367. So here, some missing value. The data type is the float 64, and the review okay, and the size okay, and the install okay, and the type okay. Type also maybe the one row missing, and the price okay, and the country ratings okay. Also one missing value, and the genus okay. Let's update okay, and the current versions current one is a 10,083 is also miss value, and then also here miss value. Okay, I will check again in the data set to okay our this data set I check already, so I have to do something for the data preparation and data cleaning. So in this data set I have to clean. First I have to change this rename the column in the data in this data frame. Also I will check in the some of the outlier of node. Also I have to check I have to count the missing value and fill in the missing value. So next I will check to the rename a column first of all. Then okay. So what I rename the column because of in Jupyter Notebook they don't accept to the space. So that's why I have to rename this column. Okay. Then how many outlier in this column? So I will check in the outlier row is I check in the row number is 10,472. The rating is in the 19. Okay, this outlier row. Then if I need remove, I can remove it from the data frame. Okay, after I remove the data frames, I have no more in the outlier. So, and I count the number of missed value. The missing value is rating 1,474, and the type is 1, and the current version 8, and the Android version 2. So I have to do data imputation and manipulation. This means we have to fill out the missing value. So we are looking for statistics and using statistics, and we use the missing value for median or mode or means. We have to fill up the sum of the value. Okay, after I fill it a values, so this I get it. Then also I fill up again no more missing value. Then after this, when I finish all the missing value, I have to do something for the data formatting. Data formatting is the sum of the data type is a object type is mean the string value, but I need to be this a float or integer. So next I go to check the this column and this filter in the price review and install filter. I will check this what kind of this data type. Then after check ready, I get this statistic. Then after cleansing, and I will save in the CSV file. Then I will doing for the design visualization with the chart. Okay, this kind of chart, I get it. Okay, now I back to my Jupyter notebook. I will explain about the step by step. Okay, so I need to input the required models. So I put the required model means I have to put data frames, a model, input, okay, run. So I have put ready. I already put ready in the required modules. Then I will put my CFC file into my data set, in my data frame. So I got this data frame. So then next I will check to the what kind of data type. Its data type is under data frames. Then I will looking for my data set. How many data sets I looking at using my data. Yeah, that is my data frame data set, all my data set. So here I see some of the data type is a different data type, and the messy data type, and also some of the missing volume there. So I can check. Also, to the row is 10,141 rows, and the columns are 30 columns. Okay. So I check again, go further to looking for data how many rows. So how many row and how many column? 10,841 and the 30 row, 30 columns. Okay, next. I will check to the this is summary studies. So I will check the summary studies to the my data set. Okay, so I see here the rating is the rating columns, but only rating column. The rest is nothing here. Because why I do? Why? Because of something wrong in the data set. So first of all, I check this summary statistics only rating columns, but in the counting is a 9,367. Actually, they have row is 10,000. Okay, I check again. Next, so with the in data set, I check to with box blocks. Then I see here one of the outlier values. So actually, this value is start to one, maybe one, two, there's five, but one of the outlier. So, okay, I will check it with a histogram. Okay, here I see in the histogram is only the same outlier that I don't see, but here I see there's a medium volume of. Then I will check again with how many missing volume and how okay, then I will check with data information. That is my data information. Okay, there I see here application 10,841. This is data types object, and the rating is 9,000. So this is only missing volume, and but data type is a 464. And then there is also some missing value, and there is the object data type. Okay, now I will check to if I want. Yeah, I want to check again with only the missing value, which column, which row, and which column. So I check here using for this my formula is new and any exact one means okay this only there this I get this data set only this non-value. So the non-value is or total is 1481 rows and the 30 columns. Okay, next I have to be data preparation and data cleaning. So and then in this data set I have to data pre-processing means they rename the column because of uh here I have see this column is the space, so I have to do the rename the column. Also I have to check in the outlier data or I need to remove of node. Also I got the number missing value, then I have to fill up this value for medium or mid or mood. Okay, I will continue. First of all, I have to remove the column in this data frame. So which column? Let me check first. I will check the all column, only the column first. So this all the data 1, 2, 3, 4. Only total is 30 column. But here I see in the last update the column name is spade. So in the Jupyter they don't accept to the spade strings. So I have to do something for the and uh, rename the columns. So I basically simply I change the column name is counting rating to just I using the space and the underscore like this. So this are how many column I change 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 three column. Then I ran. So then I will check again with column. So here after the remove rename the column. Then I check with data frame the data frame. So here I see the last update and country rating I using the this underscore. Yeah. Okay. Then next, I will check to this outlier. So outlier means there I see before I check the outlier is uh up to this 5. See at up to 5. So that's why I have to greater than for 5. How many I have to miss outlier rows. Then I'm using for data my data set name is Google data. So I using the rating column up to 5. So when I run, I got only one only one row. So the row number is 10,472 and the category also is some missing 1.9. So normally this is a name. So rating is a very high, there's a 19. And some other non-value here also non-value here. That's why this is a very basic rule that I have to remove this column. Then I remove this column to drop it. Then after I remove this column, I check again this row, which row, the row number is 10,472. So after I check this column, okay, no more here in the data frame. 1470, 471, no more 472. Then I will check to again other with the uh, uh, box blocks. So dot blocks I have to here data set after check. So no more outlier. Then I will check with histogram is also different shape. So before outlier and after outlier different shape. This I got and see this score is a right score. Is a right score means there's also the medium volumes. So then I will check to data shape is 10,840 because already one already I already delete. Okay, next I will check to visit value. So message value, how many in the data, data frames. So using for print Google is new sum is okay. Applications are normal, no value, rating, and type, and card version, and enter version. So also I will check with data information info. Okay, I will check it in here, and flow type is only the flow type. The rest is the object types. Okay, doesn't matter. I will do again. I will say again to. I will looking for the data. I will do the data imitation and mutation. This means some of the missing values. So we have to fill up this deep bit of this our studies and using studies, and you are using for median or mean or medium mode. This value I had to fill up. So let's say I will check in the there is now I check only rating values. Rating columns is no is that all is the rating for the non values. Total is 1,474 rows and the 30 columns. This for only ratings column. So in this rating column, I had to fill up to the value means median values. So I will do here. Okay, and rating median, I want to check the median based of this data set. So I calculate for with the median. Then I get a 4.3. So this 4.3, this value I have to fill it in this value, non-value. Then in the filter ratings for this value, and okay. Then I will check if my data set is run or not. So yeah, before this row number 23 is the non-value. So now I need to fill it with 4.3, the value in the rating. Okay. Then I will check again and in the data set how many missing value again. So the missing value is no more ratings columns, but the rest is the still missing. The type and the current version and other version. Okay. Then I do here. I put in the type because the type is the object type. I will check uh, in the data set. So type is the mostly and mode I using for mode, and mostly is the free, and the data as object, and also color version is the mode is the varies with the device, and data type is the object. Also Android version is the mode. Also the mode is a 4.1 and up, and the data type is object. So I want to these values put fill it in this column. So then how to put it in this column? Because this object I don't want to change the strings because some of this object values. So then our 92, right? 93. Okay. Then I will check again is the missing value or not. Okay. So here I already filled ready the missing value. Type normal type missing value, and a current version normal missing value, and the Android also normal missing value, right? So and I will check the information data type, go to okay. Now I see the normal missing value of my data frame. Okay, then but some of the object, some of the this data type is not. I'm not happy for this data type, so I will check again. And because of uh, I want to do the data formatting, I'm not happy to this the data type, so I looking for the data set. So here I will check again. My data set is good, but there is the some other value. Okay, here install and review, install, review, and price is actually they have to data type is the string or this sorry, float or integers. Integers means the full number, float with the decimal number. So the review, install, and price must be integer or float number. So I have to change this the data type. See here, I see here this the data type or object. The price, reviews, and the install and price is the object. So I'm not happy this the data type. So that's why I have to change this data type. And let me run first this one. So next, I will follow all through. I will check this and my data type is price data type is here. Oh, I see here the price is they using the using for quotations, and then normally in the Python what I using for the quotations, this means the strings, and also they use the user they put in the dollar signs. So I don't want the quotations. I don't want the dollar signs. So that's why I have to change this data type. Also data types, object data types. I want to with this type is a float data type, because here we have the float number, point number, decimal number. Okay, then how can do it? So I will try to this data type change to data type is okay. Then using my Python code. Okay, data is my data frame and price, and data price data my data frames and price apply to lambda x. I have to apply this x, the strings x, the string x replace to x the dollar sign to dollar sign and this correlation, and then also if it is so I will replace to string to float number. So I have to run this one. Okay, it's good. Then I will check again my dataset, enterprise dataset. Wow. So I see I'm happy to get my answer. The normal data size, normal condition. So I think so. This must be. I have think so. This one. Okay. Then I will check again with what kind of data type. So normal string volumes. Normal this condition. Normal error. Also data type is float. Changed already. Float 64. And also they have not missing value 10,840, and then column name is price. Okay, I'm happy. Then I will check again my data frame. So here ratings already, and just now I changed the price. Okay, and the float is 64. But I have to be another review and install. I have to change this data type also. Okay, then I will check again my data type, data shape 10,000. Okay, stay good. Then I will check to my review column. Oh, review column is all number, no strings, not quotation, not dollar sign, everything. But the data type is object, but it is something error. So that's why I have to change to data type to normally this column name is reviews, and that PD means the pandas to normally to my review error sources. So I have to run this one. Then I will check again this run. That's my reviews. Okay, so now I see here same value, but the data type is integer 64. Okay, and the length means the row means 10,840. Okay, and the name is review. Okay, I'm happy. Then I will check to again my data frame is okay. Rating and review is at the integer 64. This means already before object. Now I change already after change integer 64. Okay, and then I will check again my data shape. Stay have 10,840 and the 30 column. Okay, Then I will check to the install install inside here. They're using plus signs and quotation. Actually, this number, but they use the user they put in the plus sign and quotation. But I don't like because of this the data type is object data types that I don't want. I want to be change to the flow number because they're using the some of the flow number. Then I will using for Python code. Okay. This data is then my data frame install column names install and install apply to number x and the string x replace to plus. Normally they has a string. That's why I have to I want to replace the plus to comma. I will delete and also change to the flow number. So let me run first. Okay. Then I will check to this column. Okay. Already no more. There's a plus sign. No more comma. Okay, then I'll check with the whole column check. All right. So install column is no more no more plus sign, no more correction, no. Okay. Also, I have put in the float the decimal number. Then I get this float is 464. Data type is okay. Then I will check in my data information. All right. So happy to my cleaning data, the applications, okay, the rest is okay. Then I will check to summary status after the cleaning. So one after the cleaning, all right. So before I get all the rating column, but there are also 9,000, but I already fill up 10,840. The review also, they already changed the data type. Okay, 10,840. Install, so I already changed the data type. They also 10,840 and the price of it. Okay, this is statistics for our data frame. Wow, I'm happy. So that's I will check my data frame. What kind of data type? I will check my data type or the data Google data. Then okay, this ran pandas core frames data frame. All right, this I get a good result. So then I have to save my CSV file again because this before I have to message data, then after the clean data. So I would save to my CSV file. Right? Okay. So I will check to after the clean data. Oh, wow, beautiful. So now I see and the install before I see the install is plus signs a comma. After this, no more plus sign, no more comma, and also price. Also, I see the nicely and before and not before is before Messi data. Okay, I also and a rating is some non-volumes. So after the cleanings, no more non-volumes. I already fill up the missing value. All right, then I will using continue using for my children notebook. So I using for visualization. So then I will read again my data set is ran. So after this, I have to using for after cleaning data set, I will do the data using with the chart. All right. So let me oh, oh no. Okay. So the GPR means I have the group by there's a category. This category. So I have to do this category and the base of widespread rating. So the rating means I have to and numbering means I have to use the average. So in this category, one rank When I ran this data set to these functions. So GRB means I was using for a group by the category. So with this GP or GRB category and with the ratings. And so the name mean means I was looking for the average for the ratings. For example, art and designs, how many means, how many average, and auto and vehicles, how many average. Okay, this I using for X values. I give the variable name is X value. So then and Y means using for GRB means a category with the group and a price, and I have to see all the send values. Send value means total value. So art and design, the price is this 5.97, right? So then and that means I have reviews to be the means. This means reviews here category in a review means art and design 2 point this number. Okay, then I'm using a chart. So when I'm using a chart, this chart means I see here uh, the X means first I have seen here the X means this X means there's our category and the Y means our price. So here I see the friend is the there's a price menu. Where did the rating? Oh, there's a rating first. Okay, so I rating first here. Okay, when I run this my formula, it means I use it for the figure size is a 6 by 5 figure size, and the X is a row means is these designs, and a color means I have to use a green color, and the rotation is a 90 rotations, and the title name a category also is ratings, and the X means a category, and Y means a rating. So here I see here I can see here the it depend of this our ratings and meeting value for means values. So here I see auto design is 4 point both for the 4.3 4.35 and the high number is even number. Okay, then I go see in the and a price to category. Category is the finance is the higher price, and then I use one reviews category by review. So review is higher review is communication. All right. So that was it for my data analyze, data cleaning, and data analyze and data visualization using with my Python. Yes. Then thank you for your participation in our program. If you are interested, we are warmly welcomed from our community. There is my community from my colleague with my colleague. Then if if you have any message data set for the if you want to be clean data dashboard or report, please join us our service. Our service is that automatics. So here I have to give a link. So our this is automatics package and how do we work. That was it. Hello.
Thank you, Tenso.
Oh, welcome. Everybody quiet. Said my yes. That is
Yeah, I
my
think
turn.
everyone was listening.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good presentation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Kenzo, I have a question for you.
Yes, ma'am.
There's a lot of tools that you can use to clean data, like Excel and Power BI. Um, What made you choose to go further and to learn Python to do this?
Yeah, first, before I have to use it for this data after cleanings, so I can use the Excel and also Power BI. If you have this after clean a data set like this, then we can use any tools. You can use the Power BI, you can use the Excel with this power table. Yeah,
Thank you.
one minute. Next meetup, I will try to do the some after the clean data set. I will present with my Power BI with visualization. It's very nice.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, yeah. Because of the data is a very important. After messy data, when I get the data is a messy, we have to clean first. Then we get a good result. If not the clean data, well, we cannot do anything our the data analyst or data scientist. So this is very important. Hello,
Hello, we can hear
hello.
you.
Yeah.
Any more questions?
Um, no, not at this moment, I guess. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Is there a way to obtain that Jupyter notebook that you use?
Sorry, I'm not clear.
Um, do you share the Jupyter notebook that you have used in this course?
Yes, yes.
I think if you will post the recording to the meetup group, but also you could reach out to Tenzo directly.
Yeah.
Okay,
His email, and
great.
he could share that with you.
Yeah, nice. I learned some new little things.
Yes, sir.
Glad to hear. Tenzo, can you put your email address in the chat?
Yeah.
So if you want the Jupyter notebook, you can contact Tenzo and he can send it to you.
Of
Is
course.
that
Okay,
Yeah.
okay?
thank you.
Yeah?
Think so. This is my email address.
Great, thank you. I've copied it.
Yeah. Welcome.
All right. Thank you, Tenzo, for the
Welcome.
presentation. And thank you, everyone, for joining us.
Yes.
We have similar sessions on data every
Also, how can I send through my
couple of weeks. And if,
Jabi, I
yeah,
want to. If you want everyone, I will send you my presentation is fine. So there are a lot of
yeah,
links. Yeah.
we're gonna post it on YouTube and I can share the link on Meetup.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
great.
Yeah.
Yes, we will share them on Meetup and will be on YouTube.
All right.
And if everyone has a topic about data that they want to share with everyone, we are more than happy to provide this platform to you. Just contact me on Meetup and we will set it up.
All right.
Okay,
I
we'll do it.
Yes, thank you. I have final request. I'll put in the chat a link for a short survey. It won't take longer than 2 minutes. We just want to know your feedback so we can improve our meetups. If you can fill that in after this session, I will be grateful. Thank you. Hope you have a great week
I'm glad
and
to do
thank you
so.
again.